Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to Sirennet Television. Going to take a chance to run out to Starker and see what they're working on. Well, actually, I kind of know what they're working on. They're working on a Ford Interceptor utility for one of our customers here in the Pacific Northwest. It happens to be the 2018 model. So let's go across to their shop right now and see what the guys are up to. Hi, Danny.
Hi, Stuart.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
So what you got going there?
I'm installing an eco-lock module and a surveillance mode module.
Okay, all right. And that's going to be wired into the vehicle's ignition system or independently?
It's wired into the ignition system and into the OBD2 port.
Oh.
The abuse here, Stuart.
So Austin, you're going to basically put this on the rear of this Interceptor, right? This is the rear lighting you're putting together?
Correct, underneath the spoiler there. Add some sticky tape so it doesn't rattle against the glass.
And the tape basically is at the back of the bracket, so it's not going to, as you said,
rattle against the glass, yeah. Make sure you stick your tongue out. Yeah, and that one. That one is.
So Danny, you got the rear seat in now, and you got the screen in.
Yep.
And it looks like pretty much most of the cabling has gone through, and the console is going into position, as we can see here. Then I guess obviously amplification's being worked on by Austin at the back.
That's right.
As well as all the other electronic components that have to go into that area. So moving along at a pretty quick rate.
Yeah, should be done today.
Fantastic.
The trigger. The two 18 gauge red and two 18 gauge black.
So Austin, when you're using the label maker, which of course is right there in front of us, you basically put the labels on the cable itself, or where the cable itself terminates?
It kind of depends on the situation. Anything that goes on the side of our DNR board, I'll put it right at the terminal itself, so it's easily readable. Things that are going from the pigtails from the controller to our harness, I usually just go right over the top of where I connected the two together.
And again, the plan behind this is to allow the customer to identify what cable does what.
Correct. Instead of them having to call us every time to figure out what this wire is, it kind of helps them to be able to figure it out in their own shop.
So Danny, you're basically now starting to work on the Siren amplifier control head. And you're in the process of putting the labels on those to identify which function goes to which button.
Yep.
Well, the lads have actually finished the car, which is very nice of them, and they've given me a chance to take it outside for a quick second and let you have a look around as we go through all the different functionality with respect to the Whelen Siren controller in the vehicle. So I'm going to go through positions 1, 2 and 3, self-explanatory, and you'll get to see all the different lighting as it comes on. Now the Siren, by the way, is on park hill, so we're not going to turn that on. We pretty much know what a Siren sounds like. But again, let's go ahead, check it out. Well, there you have it. A really exceptional build of a Ford Interceptor utility for a customer here in the Pacific Northwest. The model itself is going to be a 2018 model. Variety of different equipment used on it, from Whelen, from Havas, from Setina, from Troy, etc. Again, check out all the different parts on the website and see if any of those will work for you in relation to your particular vehicle. But of course, a big shout out to the gang at StarCar, starting off with Ted, Danny, Tyler, of course, Austin, and Doug, the big man himself. I'm Stuart, and again, thank you for watching Sirennet Television. Have a great day.